Here we are, day 1 of your 6-week transformation challenge. Please introduce yourself.
I'm Kimberly Rivera, and I want my life back.
Good, hop on the scale. 302 on the dot. Goal is to get you down 20 pounds in 6 weeks. You ready?
Again.
Here we are, the end of your 6-week transformation challenge. We started 6 weeks ago at 302. Let's go ahead and hop on the scale, see what our ending weight is. 273.4, so we definitely crushed our 20 pounds. Awesome work.
All right, good morning, Kimberly. We're here at the end of your second 6-week challenge. We started this round at 273.4, so let's get on the scale and see how you did. 243.8. So how much is this total loss for you, Miss Kimberly?
53 point something.
53 point something pounds. Amazing. How do you feel?
Awesome.
All right, what's next?
Round 3.
Round 3. Cool.